Gee, I wonder why implemented the ACA in the first place. Because insurance companies were denying healthcare coverage to those that had pre-existing conditions like cancer, and not being able to even get a health insurance company that would cover you, or if they did, they tried jacking up the prices just like car insurance does. Okay? Because the system that we had before was not adequate. I don't know why this is so hard to understand. We had so many Americans that were uninsured previously. So once again, it just seems like Trump is so out of touch with reality because he was born into wealth that he has no idea how much an average American would spend on a health insurance plan. I think it's important to note that we are the only developed country in the world that does not have a universal healthcare system. The only one, mind you. I just read that China's is a little different, but regardless, 90% are still on a government-funded healthcare insurance. But outside of that, we are the only developed country that does not have a universal healthcare system. Not everything is better privately owned, okay? Because we also spend way more on healthcare than any other country. Per person. Per person, we spend almost double what other countries spend on healthcare. This just goes to prove that Republicans still, after all of these years of complaining about Obamacare, they still do not have a policy in place to better it. There's no policy. But somehow they managed to find the time to have mass policies like Project 2025. Time to create a 90,000 square foot ballroom with donor support and backing, financial backing. Their massive attempt to restructure our government through loopholes and through our legitimate institutions. But yet, they've complained about Obamacare since it was put into place, and yet they still do not have one policy. Not one.